So in this section, we will learn access modifiers in Java. Access modifiers are used for setting the access level to classes, variables, methods, and constructors. There are basically 4 access modifiers in Java. First one, of course, is default, by default. So that means that we will not explicitly declare an access modifier for a class, field, method, and constructor. A variable, method, and constructor declared without any access control modifier is available to any other class in the same package. The second one is public. Public access modifier is accessible from everywhere, and this is the least restrictive access modifier. And the third one is private. The private access modifier is accessible only within class. So methods, variables, and constructors that are declared private can only be accessed within the declared class itself. Private modifiers are the most restrictive access level. So the last one is protected. The protected access modifier is accessible only within the same package and in addition from all subclasses of its class. So in this part, you see the restrictive level of accessibility of modifiers. And as you see here in the slide, the most restrictive modifier is private and the least restrictive modifier is public. Default comes after private and protected comes after default.